Hey, where are we?
At the Kirby Storter Park.
And what did the sign say? No food, don't mess with the wildlife.
That's right. They mean business.
Okay, you gonna read these off to us?
No.
Exploring and exploiting the wilds. Look, they got rims.
Wow.
That's wild. Trees. Look at all the trees they probably cut down.
They're pulling in. That was wild. They're pulling in everything they needed on logs and car rims.
I seen that. That was their railway.
Yeah.
These cypress trees are just the coolest thing there is.
I know. It takes forever for these things to grow, too.
I think they live to be like 400 years old. Look, you can tell something's been beaten through here.
Oh, yeah. Got a big old tree.
Gator.
Big old tree hiding under this place.
Is it a gator or a bear?
Well, I don't know. He's probably
I see footprints. I was trying to see if it had a bear print. Probably a bobcat trail. Or a Florida panther.
I don't think we make a trail like that.
They might.
That looks more like a snake.
I know one thing, it's hot out today.
Oh, my Lord. I don't complain about heat, but it is warm.
Let me know if you see any panthers.
Oh. Here, kitty, kitty. Ooh, that's leaning big time.
We're camping out here, so. And they got the trash locked up so the bears and stuff don't get in it.
Yeah.
It's like a picnic area.
It's cool. I love these little thatch things.
I think the ranger told me it was a mile walk. Yeah. Burning Big Cypress. Will you hold this a second? Gotta get me a picture. What the hell? Okay. Got a shade on the corner. Okay, should we continue along? This is nice and cool in here. I can see why they like these now.
Oh yeah, it makes a big difference, and this one's got a hole in it even.
It's 20 degrees cooler in here. Probably lets the heat out. Woohoo! Boy, it is hot out here.
Yeah, it does make a big difference, don't it? See, I told you I wanted one of them.
Yeah, tiki.
They call it a cheeky.
Cheeky.
The Indians call it a cheeky. People who drink call it tiki.
I wonder who built this.
Probably the park.
Pretty nice job. Oh, game trail. I still don't see no tracks. You know what would be better than walking on this bridge?
What?
Walking down there in the sawgrass.
There you go. You want to get cut up, I guess.
They should build one of these at Woodhaven. Oh, here's another sign. Looks like something was staying under there. A rare breed. There it is. Cougar.
Very pretty.
Rarely seen. Deer, hogs, and other smaller wildlife. This is Panther Company Country.
Wow. This is just thick.
Check out these trees.
Those are so cool.
And them are some old ones now. Wow. Pretty huge. Can you find any?
What? What's in a strand?
Yep, there's a strangler fig.
I told you. They're all over.
Man, I can't believe how cool these trees are now. That one especially. So you can make it
That's a strangler that strangled that cypress and killed it, consumed it. They're very creepy. You wouldn't think a tree would be able to grow up around another one and consume it, but they do.
If I was a panther, I'd live under this tree. Nice and shady. they got box elder in here.
Oh. I didn't know that. I didn't even know they were in this area.
Epiphytic orchid.
Cool.
That must be it up there, huh? See?
No, that's...
The bromeliad.
Yeah, that's the
Bromeliad. Okay. Well, look at these 3 trees. You could definitely make a dugout canoe out of that one. I still don't see any tracks down there. That's amazing.
That might be one of them orchids. See how it's got the stems?
Uh-huh. Them are just amazing. Look at this one. It's like a triple cypress. My lord.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at the strangler trying to go around it.
Yep. It goes up quite a ways.
It goes all the way to the top.
Yep. And is that creepy?
Very. Here's your hobbit hole.
That's where else I'd live if I was a panther. Right in there. Where it's nice and cool.
Yep. There's another strangler going up that cypress.
Where are we? You remember?
Kirby Storter Park. I believe that's how you pronounce it, Storter, S-T-O-R-T-E-R, Storter. He's happy bird.
Cool things at Kirby Storter Park. Crystal's filming with the GoPro, and I'm filming with my camera. We're looking at cypress trees and orchids. We haven't seen a panther. On a mile-long walkway. Ooh, there might be a gator down here. Oh, end of the line. Run a couple birds. It's warm out here.
Mm-hmm.
Lot of minnows.
a big bird feather over there.
Yeah,
They're probably in the shade.
I suppose it is pretty hot today.
I can see the trails when you're walking in here. You can see them.
Oh yeah, some big trails.
Kelly, what's that feather to over here?
What?
There's a huge feather laying over there.
A feather?
A feather.
Oh yeah.
See it?
Yep. I bet you.
They got something to eat.
I bet you it's probably from a bird.
A big bird.
Okay. I didn't realize we were getting to the end. I should have Facebooked the other part of it.
Oh, cool. Look at all the fish.
Yeah, there's a ton of fish down there.
There's a...
That's why I'm surprised there's no gator.
We saw a great big Oscar yesterday.
Yep. Okay.
The pretty violet flowers on the water.
Okay. We're looking at some cool things at Kirby Storter Park. Crystal's filming with the GoPro. And I'm filming with my camera. And there is a bunch of fish right there.
I know it.